Welcome to Car Tools as your go-to destination for in-depth automotive updates, reviews, and modifications. Today, we're diving into the modern modified 2025 Range Rover, a luxury SUV that blends elegance with high-performance engineering. With enhanced aesthetics, improved off-road capability, and a tech-laden interior, this modified version takes the iconic Range Rover to the next level. The exterior has been redesigned with a custom aerodynamic body kit, featuring a more aggressive front bumper, larger air intakes, and a blacked-out mesh grille. The LED matrix headlights half the suspension has been modified with an adaptive air ride system, allowing the vehicle to adjust height dynamically for different terrains. A custom quad exhaust system and rear diffuser enhance both aesthetics and performance, while the redesigned taillights and roof spoiler add to its sporty appeal. Technology upgrades include a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium 3D surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while the AI-assisted driver assistance system enhances safety. Advanced sensors and cameras provide a 360-degree view, making parking and off-roading easier. The modified Range Rover also includes a remote start system with biometric authentication for added security. Inside, luxury meets cutting-edge design with premium leather upholstery featuring contrast stitching, ambient lighting with customizable colors, and a panoramic sunroof. The front seats are now ventilated, heated, and equipped with massage functions, while the rear seats offer reclining capabilities and an integrated entertainment system. The dashboard is finished in carbon fiber and Alcantara, complemented by a redesigned steering wheel with paddle shifters. Under the hood, this modified 2025 Range Rover packs a twin-turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 engine, pushing out an impressive 650 horsepower. A custom ECU remap and high-performance. The 8-speed automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for smoother shifts, and the upgraded all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in all conditions. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.2 seconds, this luxury SUV is as fast as it is refined. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Tools for more of the latest automotive updates.